Everyone, welcome to Bhajia in the kitchen, and today I'll be doing an update of how I make my bhajias. And to get that started, you'll need some potatoes, specifically yellow potatoes. I find it better with the yellow potatoes. And right here for our spices, I have 1.5 teaspoon of paprika, 1.5 teaspoon of garlic powder, 1.5 teaspoon of salt, 1.5 teaspoon of onion powder, and about 1.5 tablespoon of parsley. You can use any amount depending on your liking. And then right here I have half a teaspoon of turmeric powder, and over here 1.5 cup of flour. I'm using all-purpose flour, and right here you will need some water too to make your paste. So let's get started. So before we get started on preparing our bhajias, I'll go ahead and heat up my oil, the one that I'll use to fry the bhajias. And right here I'm using corn oil, and use your regular frying pan. This is what I use for me as for now. So I'll go ahead and turn on my heat to about medium. So I'll do about almost 6, as you can see. So it depends on your heat level, and so make sure you have it on medium, and not high medium, but like low medium. So we'll go ahead and put all our spices in here all at once, and then go ahead and mix that since they're dry. And then the next thing that we'll go ahead and do, add in your water. And I don't have a specific amount of water to use. Just as you go, keep on adding, because you want a paste similar to the one that you use for your salad dressing, that kind of texture for your paste. So just keep on going. Here's the final result of our paste, and I want to show you the consistency that I have it on. It's pretty much like the one for the salad dressing. Just make sure it's not too thick. There are no clumps in the paste, and it's almost light, but it's not completely light, and it's not thick, as you can see. So we'll go ahead and get started with our potatoes. Go ahead and rinse our potatoes with water. And then we'll go ahead and slice this up. So try to have them the same size. As you can see, I'm not cutting them too thick. So have them almost the same thickness or thinness, so that they can cook all at the same time. Next thing that we'll go ahead and do, we'll go ahead and take our potato slices and just dip them in here. We'll give this a good stir, just gently. So by the time that you're ready to deep fry your bhajias, the oil should be ready. And if you one way to check is just place a wooden stick in here, and as soon as it starts doing that, then know that your oil is ready. Or one thing that you can do, just dip in your finger in the paste, and then just drop a little bit. And if it starts doing that, then it's ready. So let's go ahead and dip our bhajias. And I like to do this one by one instead of putting them all at once. And make sure you don't burn yourself, because I burned myself and it was not funny. So please be careful, because I don't want you to burn yourself. We let them cook, and if they start sticking next to each other, try to separate them so that they can cook evenly. So after around 2 minutes, go ahead and turn your bhajias so that they can cook the other side as well. And we'll let the other side cook for 1 minute and then take it out. So our 1 minute is done. So we'll go ahead and take this out. And then place them on a paper towel so that it can soak in the extra oil. And then do the same with the rest. So here's the end result of our bhajias. As you can see, they look amazing and so delicious. Make sure you give it a try, and if you do, please do let me know, and I hope you get to enjoy this recipe. Thank you for watching, and thank you for subscribing. Thank you to all the viewers, all the people that comment, and especially the people that give my recipe a try. So make sure you give this one a try. It's a must try. So until next time, we'll see you on Bridget in the Kitchen. Thank you.